Alright guys, this will be a really fast unboxing. I'm a little bit concerned about what's going on here. I'm only going to just open the box itself and not what's inside. I'll just do it real quick. I'm really hopeful that this is not broken because I've been receiving a lot of machines that don't work right out of the box. I'm hoping this will be a different scenario. But let's see what we got. It was beat up from the outside, but it looks okay on the inside. And that's always a good thing. Alright, here we go. That looks good. So, that's one more good thing. Not sure how well it will be inside, but we'll do that in the next video. So thanks for watching and see you soon.